to fix transaction errors on Trust Wallet. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix a failed transaction on the Trust Wallet. First, go to the Play Store. Now search for Trust Wallet. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If it's not, then update it first. Once it is done, go back and open the app. Hopefully your problem will be fixed, but if it's not fixed, then tap on Settings from the bottom right corner. Go to Wallets. Here tap on these three dots, change the name of your wallet, then go back and tap on this plus icon. Select that I don't have a wallet. After, go to the phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Go to App Management. Here search for Trust Wallet. Now go to Storage Uses. Here clear cache and data in order to get rid of extra data and bugs. This will fix the problem you're facing during the transaction. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe and share.